Hello and welcome to all the students in the science topic. Our today's topic is the buoyant force. Here is one activity is given on page number 19. So what is activity? Take a plastic bottle and fix with the lid tightly and place it in water and see what will happen. Now this is the plastic bottle. Its lid is tightly connected, and when you place the water in the bottle in the water, then what will happen? The bottle floats on the water. Now it will float on water. Try and push it into the water. Then what will happen? The bottle comes. Now fill the bottle with water and just immerse it by applying the force and leave it. What will happen? This bottle again come up and float inside the water. Means empty bottle floats above the surface of the water. When the bottle is filled with the water, means weight, it will not sink. It again comes and float inside the water. So why this happen? So the empty bottle, plastic bottle, floats on the surface of water, and the contrary, the bottle full of water floats inside the water but does not go to the bottom. So the weight of the empty bottle is negligible as compared to with the weight of the water inside. Such a bottle with water neither floats on the surface nor does it go to the bottom. This means the force due to gravity acting downward must have been balanced by an opposing force in the upward direction on the bottle filled with the water. So this force which pushed the bottle in upward direction, that is called as a buoyant force. So this is called buoyant force. So we'll have the activity, more activities again. You can carry out this activity with the help of plastic ball also. The same activity, same result, same observation, you will get it. So we'll see another activity to study about the buoyant force. Now, when we hold any object above the water, it feels heavy, and same object, suppose this is a heavy object, when we leave in the water, what will happen? It sink at the bottom. But a glass of water, see, this is the glass. When we hold inside the water, then its weight feel less weight we feel, and same glass above the surface of the water feels more weight. Why this happen? Means objects when inside the water, their weight feels less. So this is called as a buoyancy or the buoyant force. When the objects are inside the water, then pressure increases. Means upward pressure and downward pressure. When objects are inside the water, the more upward pressure is there, and above the surface less downward pressure is there. So the upward force acting on the object, that is called as a buoyant force. So this is the concept. Now the activity that we have already take the plastic bottle, empty bottle which is floating on the surface of the water, means upward force by the fluid. The liquid exert upward force. When you bring the water inside the water, bottle inside the water, what will happen? Then bottle comes up and float. Yes. Even when bottle filled with water, it will not sink. Bring this bottle at the bottom and leave it. What will happen? The bottle comes up and float above the surface of the water. So this force, that is called as a buoyant force. So buoyant force brings the objects, means buoyant force means the upward force acting on the object, yes, in the fluids. So the upward force acting on the objects in water or other fluids or gas, that is called buoyant force. Means liquids and gases. The best example, that is when you draw the water from the well using a bucket. When the bucket inside the water, it feels lighter in weight, but same bucket when comes up above the surface of the water, then we feels it's more weight. So inside the water, the upward force acting on the object from the bottom of the liquid, this force that is called as a buoyant force. So you may understand about buoyant force. So we'll next see about the Archimedes principle.